This is the Philips Sonicare Platinum Connected Electric Toothbrush. I've been testing it for a few weeks and I'm here to give you my opinion on it. So first things first, before we get into all the details of this brush, I want to let you know there's a full written review that accompanies this video. Just click the link in the description to see that. Now this is the Platinum Connected. This is a Bluetooth equipped electric toothbrush from Sonicare and it's a very good one at that. Now let me make you aware there are two versions of the Platinum Connected. One comes supplied with a UV sanitizer, one doesn't. There's about a $20 price difference between the two. Aside from the supply of the UV sanitizer, all the features and everything of the brush are the same. So Sonicare build good quality electric toothbrushes and this is no exception. It feels solid, it feels well built, it's got a premium look to it, nice weight, nice construction. The back of the white brush handle here is a whole series of raised dots that make it nice and easy to grip. The front of the brush handle is a little bit busy, but it's quite clear and easy to use. You've got a power button, you've got the Bluetooth icon, you've got three LEDs that relate to the intensity of the brushing, which can be controlled via this plus and minus icon button. You've then got three cleaning modes, clean, white and deep clean. You've got another button that controls the modes as well as then a battery status icon. On the base of the brush you've got a recess for actually charging the brush, and at the top you've got the interchangeable brush head that slides on and off like so. So it comes in this white colour with this sort of silver panel. Now in the box you get one adaptive clean brush head and one intercare brush head. You also get a travel case and potentially that UV sanitizer as well. Now just a quick word on that UV sanitizer. That basically allows you to put up to 2 brush heads in it and sanitize it. It runs through a cycle for about 10 minutes. It does require mains power to be able to do that, but on that sanitizer there is also a stand to be able to charge the brush at the same time. Also included in the box is a standard mains charger that connects to the 2-pin US socket and fits into the recess on the bottom of the brush there as well. If you get the UV sanitizer you get both the charging stand and the UV sanitizer with charging included as well. So you've got a range of interchangeable brush heads. You get the 2 supplied. There are a greater range available from Sonicare that can be purchased separately. They just clip on and off like so. You've got the fading indicator bristles, which are really useful. You should replace your brush heads every 3 months, but the fading indicators help you know when it's time to change. You've got lots of controls here, but it's easy to use. You just press the single power button to turn the brush on, and then you have the option via this button down here to change between the clean, white and deep clean mode. So you press that to select which mode that you actually want. That's very handy. And then within each mode you can change the brushing intensity, one of 3 levels, low, medium or high, by pressing this button here. So you've got lots of flexibility in the way the brush actually cleans. It delivers up to 31,000 movements per minute and the clean is excellent from this brush. I can't really fault the clean that it gives. The brush head is a little bit larger than Oral-B models, but that's just the design of Sonicare's brushes. There's a timer and pacer built into the brush handle, so as soon as you activate the brush, that kicks in. That reminds you at 30-second intervals via a pause in the brush motor to change quadrant, and at the end of the 2-minute cycle the brush will automatically power off. Now the handle is water resistant. There's a 2-year warranty included as standard, and built in is a lithium ion battery which will give you approximately 19 days of usage time. You've obviously got the aforementioned charging solutions, and of course one of the big features here is this a Bluetooth connected brush. Now Sonicare have an app available for Android and iOS that you can connect this to. Now you don't have to use the Bluetooth connectivity, it's a feature there. You can choose to use it as and when you please, and the brush will retain some of the tracking data if you're not in range of the smartphone that you've previously paired with. The app is a very good app indeed. It's been well designed. It gives you real-time tracking and information on your clean as well as tips and tricks. There's also more features from the app including ordering replacement brush heads. There's bits that your dentist can check in on and tweak your clean. So there's a lot to the app and there's a lot more information on that in the written review that accompanies this video, including screenshots and more details on all the features. Whilst the Bluetooth connectivity is really good, and I think Sonicare have done a good job, of it. One of the downsides is you really need to hold your smartphone in your hand to be able to see what you're doing, and it would be nice if Sonicare included a smartphone holder to put your brush in, so that you could kind of hold your smartphone at an ideal viewing angle when using it whilst brushing your teeth, but sadly they don't. It does actually have a pressure sensor built into the brush as well. It's not a visible sensor, but it works best in conjunction with the app, and it'll tell you when you're brushing too hard, because brushing too hard is a common issue for people and a cause potentially of gum recession. So with so many features, this brush may be considered expensive, and the recommended retail price is somewhere between $200 and $220, subject to the model you buy. Typically, you can actually pick this up between $180 and $200. Not a massive discount off the RRP, but a little bit nonetheless. We like to price these brushes over a 3-year period, including the cost of replacing the brush heads. You're going to be looking at about 26 cents per day to actually own this brush over that 3 years. That is at the higher end, but then you do get lots of features and functionality from this brush. It provides a very solid clean. You get the reliability of Sonicare, and it's up to you whether you want to pay that. There are better value options, including cheaper options, including Bluetooth, but Sonicare is a very polished, well-rounded product, and I can't really find too much to fault it in that regards. So of course there's the full written review that accompanies this video. Be sure to check that out, but until next time, thanks for watching.